Hello everyone. My name is Momo. I'm a cooking instructor at the Reston Community Center and I'm working here for 4 years.
Hi, I'm Jeff. I'm the Teen and Youth Program Assistant with Reston Community Center, and I've been employed here for 13 years now.
Jeff, I'm going to teach you today the ham and cheese sandwich.
You're going to teach me how to make a ham and cheese sandwich, but everyone knows how to make a ham and cheese sandwich.
Oh, aren't you excited?
No, that's something that everyone can do. I want something new and exciting, not a ham and cheese sandwich.
Oh, all right. Let me take it out. How about open-faced ham and cheese sandwich?
Whoa. All right, that looks cool. That I'm excited about. That I want to learn.
All right, then. I'm going to teach you this one. I will tell you what you need before we start. 2 pieces of sliced bread and ham and cheese. And this is I use a carrot. And this black part is a nori seed. And the nori, these days, this type of the nori is available at any supermarket, including, of course, at the Oriental supermarket. But the organic store or near the supermarket, you in your area, most of the stores carry on this nori. Or if you don't have the nori at your home, you can use the cucumber or green pepper or any kind of the vegetables. All right. Then I put in the container, so I had the space. So I use parsley and orange and carrot, and I use 1 slice of ham, rolled and made of flour. So I also teach you this one as well today.
Awesome. This should be fun.
All right. So Jeff, take the 2 slices of bread.
2 slices of bread. All right. 2 slices of bread.
And if you like, you can spread the mayonnaise or the butter.
Okay.
But today we just skip. Just go easy way. Okay, so this is a ham. There you are. This is a ham. Put on the bread. All right, then put in the side. There you are. This is a white American cheese.
White American cheese.
And unwrap, but not completely. Keep in the bottom. Just like this. Okay. And I gave you the water bottle.
Yes.
This is for using the cap.
Oh, we're going to use the cap. Okay, for the little holes.
Not the hole, but the eyes. So they make the two round, the. And using the toothpick,
I did it the hard way.
and one more. Take from the film, then put on top of the ham. Right. Then like 2 eyes. Right, good. Then I use a carrot. So I will slice the carrot. 2 pieces.
Awesome. Thank you.
Then nose. Actually, you making the nose here, this part, but this is a soft cheese, so you can use a toothpick.
And cut it out? Like this?
Yes.
Okay.
Just like a drawing the pictures on the cheese. I think the nose, right?
I think mine's long enough.
Do you want to switch? But don't worry, this is your original. So they get the image from the SpongeBob, but you don't need to follow everything from the cartoon. Create your own imagination.
There we go. I feel
Here we
better about that
go.
one.
All right. Then making the holes, big hole and the small holes. Big hole using the bubble straw.
Okay.
I bought from the drugstore near the Western Community Center.
Okay.
I found last summer.
Nice.
And this straw is, this is we usually use.
This is a normal straw.
Normal
Oh,
straw.
nice. Bendy straws are the best.
Again, insert, then using the toothpick to take out. Oop. And here. Little by little, take out the inside. When you make a hole, you can move
Twist
like
it a
this way,
little.
twist, then goes quicker. And don't throw away, just keep on your cutting board. Twist, twist. Then now, great. I give you 1 piece of nori. Nice. Then making the eyelash and the mouth. So let's do it from the eyelash first. Using the scissors, I already washed very well
Awesome.
in the kitchen.
I see.
And making it a very narrow string. Then cut short. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Then decorate. All right,
Nice.
and press. Right, yeah, then connect to all the surface. All right, now next, making the mouth.
That looks like it's gonna be tough.
It is tough, but you have enough nori, so about maybe this area. I will cut here. And when you cut round, you move, the scissors and the hand together. Then you can cut round easily.
Way too big. Okay.
All right, then, we can use this white cheese
Oh, for teeth.
for the teeth. But this is a round, so make the rectangular shape using the little bit cutting the both sides. And making this sharp. Right.
Ooh.
That's fine. Good, good. All right, then, we have enough cheese, so using yellow cheese. All right. Okay, so let's move to the plate. Either you can just leave it as it is when you eat, then cover the top, then eat. But also you can just decorate like this way, that's also fine.
Give him some SquarePants.
Right. This is also nice. Or just leave in the sides, that's also fine. Then I want to show you this flower.
Oh, that's cool.
Using ham and carrot, right? Then here you are. This is the ham. Okay, put the plate in the side. Okay, fold into the half. Then either using the knife or scissors. I prefer to use the scissors, that goes quicker. Then about 1/3 from the longest
Okay.
cut. Start from here, cut, cut, all the way till the end. Then choose a little bit smaller, the carrot. This good. Here you are.
Thank you.
Yep. Then wrap. This is a core. So wrap from the side. And this is the same height. Wrap. Wrap.
So cool.
Then if you need, let me give you this one. Just stick this part, then the cut. Okay, then here, this is for the decoration. Using the parsley for the green. And here you are, more carrot. And oranges. done.
That was a lot of fun.
Great. This is a just simple, the ham and cheese, the sandwich, but just adding a little bit
A
flavor
little bit of flavor, a little bit of
and
fun.
one step up and surprise your friend or the family. I hope you enjoyed it.
That is awesome. Thank you, Momo.
Thank you very much for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed it.
I enjoyed, and all you friends following along, I hope you enjoyed and well. This is a great fun time and gives kids a chance to play with their food. All right.
Thank you.
For more fun programs like this, make sure to look us up at therestedcommunitycenter.com. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.